In our last video, we covered what to do when you accidentally use business money for a personal expense. But what happens when the reverse occurs? You're out buying office supplies or job materials, you realize you don't have your business card on you, so you pull out your personal credit card instead. Since that transaction will never drop into your automatic business bank feed, how do you track it? Today, I'm going to show you the cleanest way to log a personal purchase made on behalf of your business, ensuring you still get your full tax deduction. Let's get it logged. Because this purchase happened entirely outside your connected business accounts, we need to bring it onto your books manually. Head up to your Master Create button in the top left corner. Look all the way over to the right side under the Other column and click on Journal Entry. Once the form loads, start at the top. Set your journal date to match the exact day you made the purchase on your personal card. You can leave the reference number as is or type a custom note to keep it organized. Now for the two-line setup. On line 1, go to the Account column and select the specific category for what you bought. For instance, job expenses. Move your mouse to the right and enter the exact cost of the receipt into the Debits column. Then, drop a quick note in the description box saying, "Paid with personal funds," so your records are clear. On line 2, we need to log this as an equity account because you essentially invested personal capital into the company. Type in owner's investment. Now, if nothing pops up, don't panic. You just need to create the account. Click the green plus Add New button right at the top of the drop-down list to open the Quick Setup drawer. In this drawer, work top to bottom. Set the account type drop-down to Equity. For the detail type, choose Owner's Equity or Owner's Investment. Make sure the name says Owner's Investment, and hit Save and Close at the bottom. QuickBooks will instantly create the account and drop the matching amount into your credits column to perfectly balance the form. Double-check your total row at the bottom to ensure your debits and credits match perfectly. Once they do, head down to the bottom right corner and hit Save and Close. The expense is now officially recorded against your company's profits, giving you your well-deserved tax write-off. If this quick guide helped you claim your out-of-pocket business expenses, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.